जिनकी मैं बात करने वाली हूँ, इनके लिए इतना कहूँगी कि दिल को सुकून मिलता है मुस्कुराने से, दिल को सुकून मिलता है मुस्कुराने से, महफिल में रौनक आती है आप जैसे दोस्तों के आने से, और हमारे किड्स कैसल ग्लोबल में रौनक आती है निष्ठा मैम के आने से. So ladies and gentlemen, I would like to call upon a seasoned scholar and the navigator for this flagship is of knowledge. Her vision, hard work and excellence has brought us to this level. Ladies and gentlemen, I shall request Nishtha ma'am to present the preamble of school achievements, the school report. Everybody please put your hands together for this gorgeous lady with us, and escorted by our dear Punit sir too. Podium please. Yeah.
Good afternoon everyone, honorable guests, parents, school staff and my dear kids. As we head towards the closing session of 2019-20, I feel proud to present before you the annual report of the school, which highlights the saga of glorious achievements and accomplishments of our students. Kids Castle Global, the most loving preschool, has been spreading edutainment and happiness all across. It was started at Bangalore. Within a short period of time, it has 55 plus centers of a growing tree. After opening a center at J Block Vikaspuri, your good feedback encouraged us to widen the services to Paschim Vihar, Uttam Nagar, Janakpuri, Tilak Nagar, Rohini and Rajouri Garden as well in West Delhi. We added 6 schools last year and average of 1 school in every 2 months in 2019. Hope to keep on adding more value to the education system and society in future. We have few more parallel proposals on to run the play school. Any one of you who are currently in education domain, we would request you to meet us in Janakpuri head office and have your own couple of play schools in negligible investment. We have added 6-7 schools in those non-investment mode powered by RP Group, and only condition is we need smart, educated individuals to run the Kids Castle ecosystem. With our IT office at Janakpuri, this year we will be highly focusing on technology implementation in our day-to-day school operations and would focus on hiring, trainings. We are aggressively working on few mobile apps, CRMs and augmented realities. In this session, we have also introduced the speaking pen, which would act as an assistant teacher to kids. Speaking pen would be a part of parent kit. In the field of HR department, we have also taken recognition from Entity Institute, and we will be running Entity Institute as well from April onwards. Focus would be on hiring resources, training them, reducing attrition rates, and further growing Kids Castle ecosystem. To enhance further quality education, we executed few direct admission tie-ups with formal schools like Happy Model School Janakpuri, Abhinav Global School, Banasthali Public School Vikaspuri, Richmond Global Paschim Vihar, DPS Bahadurgarh, Guru Harkishan Public School, Doon Public School, DAV Paschim Vihar, RP Memorial School, New Era Public School, RD Rajpal School, Gursharan Convent School, and 15 more schools are on the list of tie-ups for further admission at formal school from class 1st. Parallel to that, we inculcated formal school syllabus and curriculum from Puja Convent School, imparting education since 1988. At Kids Castle, we focus high on safety and security, overall development of kids through gamification and entertainment. To further move ahead on CRM, we have strong connectivity through WhatsApp groups and digital diary. We have tried our best to make kids jack of all trades via different multifarious activities-based learning. Few of the features like puppet theatre, soft flooring, safety doors, PlayStation, stage and mic activities, interactive whiteboard, in-house Raptor software to play millions of activities for kids on touch-based whiteboard are few of the USPs which makes your Kids Castle different from other preschools. And most important is the cooperative culture and ownership of tasks which we created among our Kids Castle team. This Diwali, we associated with NGO Ek Rahat Foundation, which is doing ample of social work for the society. We donated more than 3,500 items to the people in need. This NGO being headed by Mrs. Pooja Kalra and Vice Chairman Mr. Puneet Bajaj and Mr. Manpreet Singh ji. Thank you very much, and I shall end up with a thought here which we have learned from our kids only. No one knows what you can do till you try, so let's try in a best possible way. Thank you.